assignments, project work, portfolios, and observation of activities CPS 3 for Odisha B.Ed and Education Honours. Assessment in science learning, tools like assignments, project work, portfolios, and observation of activities. Introduction. Assessment in science learning means checking how well students have understood scientific concepts, developed skills, and applied them in real life. It helps both students and teachers to improve the teaching learning process. In India, as per National Education Policy, NEP 2020, assessment should not be limited to written exams only. It should be continuous, comprehensive, and child centered, using various tools like assignments, project work, portfolios, observation of activities. 1. Assignments. What is an assignment? An assignment is a task given to students to do at home or in class based on what they have learned. Purpose in science. To help students revise and apply concepts to encourage independent thinking to develop writing and research skills. Examples in Indian science class: write a report on air pollution in your area, draw a diagram of human digestive system, prepare a chart on types of microorganism. Benefits: helps slow learners practice more, encourages self-learning, good for formative assessment, day-to-day learning checks. 2. Project work. What is project work? Project work is a longer, real-life based task where students plan, investigate, collect data, and present their findings. Purpose: to connect science with real-life problems to promote teamwork, research, creativity, and problem solving. Steps: select a topic, example, water conservation. Make a project plan. Collect data, survey, observation. Prepare report, poster, model. Present and evaluate. Examples in Indian context. How to keep the school campus plastic free. Study of plants in local area. Making a rainwater harvesting model. Benefits: develops scientific attitude, encourages inquiry-based learning. Students take active role in learning. 3. Portfolios. What is a portfolio? A portfolio is a collection of a student's work over time. It shows their progress, creativity, and understanding of science topics. What it includes: assignments, diagrams, science models, photos, project reports, teacher feedback. Purpose: to show student growth, to assess both knowledge and skills, to involve students in self-assessment. Indian classroom example: a student collects her science work from class 8 in a folder, including her notes, models, and activity sheets. The teacher checks it and gives feedback. Benefits: helps in continuous and comprehensive evaluation, CCE. Useful during parent-teacher meetings. Encourages student reflection. 4. Observation of activities. What is observation? Observation means the teacher watches students while they are doing science activities or practical work to assess their performance and behavior. What to observe? How students handle science equipment, group participation and discussion, interest and curiosity, accuracy of experiment or model, safety measures followed. Example in science class. During an experiment on testing the presence of starch in food, the teacher observes: is the student using iodine properly? Is the student following steps in order? Is teamwork happening? Benefits: helps assess skills, attitude, behavior, not just theory. Immediate feedback can be given. Good for practical and activity-based science learning. Advantages of using these assessment devices in science. Child-centered and encourages active participation. Goes beyond rote learning, checks real understanding. Helps in diagnosing learning difficulties. Multiple ways to assess all types of learners. Fits well with Indian education reforms like CCE, NEP 2020. Challenges in Indian schools. Large class sizes make observation and projects difficult. Limited resources in rural schools. Teachers may need training in using tools like portfolios. Time management is a challenge in covering syllabus. Conclusion. Assessment in science learning must be continuous, creative, and student-friendly. Tools like assignments, project work, portfolios, and observation help teachers understand not just what students know, but how they think, apply, and work with others. These methods make science learning more practical, meaningful, and enjoyable, especially in the Indian education context.